Everything I go make sense soon. Take a band-aid and put it over the wound. Tell them yellow moon. Well, 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 well. No man don't perfect, no, we have our vices and our flaws. They want me to stumble, I go so hard, I take no pause. Even if I fumble, don't laugh just yet, young boss in charge. Man born fi do this dog, new owner they have fi the yard. Now give me no talk, I want it fast. What's up? Everything I go make sense soon. Take a band-aid and put it over the wound. I just a flesh wound. Ain't nothing serious. All you need is a band-aid. You understand? And you'll be alright. Yeah? Me see you. Yeah. Me see you here. Bumble. Me see you. But you see true you not call me name because you want pussy. You see true you not call me name because you want mama man. You see because you wash drawers. Listen. You see any man where I wash drawers and I put drawers in a dryer and I fold drawers put in a drawer. You can't style me no time. Man where girl steady a wine pan them big heavy tongue. Can't style me no time. Mama man, go get your frock and come. Yeah. Put on your frock and come. Cause me see say, yeah, me see what, me see you know. But guess what, you not call me name pussy hole. You not call me name. So, you see me know that style ya. Me tell you what that style I go now. You don't call the name, but you say something to make the person know say them, and then guess what now? You want the person to come out and rub you, call your name and rub you, and then you now come back and say, I wasn't talking about her. I didn't even call her name. Enough the girl enough. Me know the style. That's why me not go call yours. Here, bumble. Yeah. Subliminally go suck your mother. Yeah. Yeah? Since that route that we are go subliminal route. Call me name pussy hole. Yeah. You're big and bad. Call it. Me and you can go at it forever, you know. I remember saying me a woman, you know. Let the tracing begin because me and you can trace each other until time fucking stop, you know. We can trace each other until me dead, you know. You understand? Me will make all a pre-recorded video for left in my will for when me dead, that them play it at my funeral for tell you after my death. If you go suck your mother same way again, you know. So all when me dead, me I tell you to suck your mother, you know. Me make multiple pre-recording videos for after me death. Every 5 year play one. Pass it down the generation them. So my daughter get it and my fear pity them and do us pass on. And every 5 year you play one of this year. Yeah. So that forever me I tell you to suck your mother. Even in my death. Call me name Bumble. Yeah. Call it pussy. Mama man, you know? Yo. Let me tell you something, man. First of all, you want to pull out of the spliff here. Well, not this exact spliff. Because I don't want to suck pussy boy out by my spliff. But you need a spliff. Because you're not on the Ross meds. Listen this and listen good, sir. You can trick the newcomers to make them believe that you're somebody. You hear what I say to you? You can trick the newcomers to make them think you're somebody. I have been watching you for many, not even watching you. I've seen you for many years now. Whole heap of years back. More than 5. Yeah? They want to really go dig up some whole video where you have and watch this as somebody and see the dog shit. Wanna run up and down back now. Yo, we used to steady the online and rinse out people like the real mama man him is. This big girl I used to dep online and cuss people, tell them to suck out them mother, rub them out and be something. Yeah. All of a sudden now, you turn into a priest. You're a priest now. Yeah. Because the priests need offerings. Need a lot of tithes. Yeah. Need tithes. You understand? Yeah, wolf in a sheep clothing. You can't trick nobody about you when you know you're from them time, you know. Only newcomer them, you know. But me don't really give a fuck, you know. That's why I never really say nothing about it in the car. Guess what, going? I don't give a fuck. Hustle if you can blood clot, hustle and take me one of them blood clot money if you can take it away. You understand me? Because people feel have sense. Some in the business. You understand what I say? But me just want to make sure say you know, me see your pussy hole. Yeah. Me just wait for see your mouth move and say pepper seed. And the tracing start same time and they say it start. So me waiting here. Me wait pussy hole. Everything I gonna make sense soon. Take a band-aid and put it over the wound. Take a band-aid and put it over the wound. You're gonna be alright. You're gonna be alright here. Yeah, man. Not just a scrape you get. Nothing too serious. You're not dead. You understand me? Let me tell you, I love how I stay now. Let me tell you why I love how I stay now. I love how God make me. Father God, thank you for your grace and mercy. Because I love how you make me. You see me? I'm not afraid for dead, you know. Let me tell you what I'm afraid of. I'm afraid for dead and somebody don't know how I feel about them before me dead. Yeah, that I'm afraid of. I'm afraid for dead and them I fear wonder when me dead if me did like them. No, Jesus God. I'm not gonna rest in peace. I'm not gonna rest in peace. So nobody write R.I.P. when me dead because me not blood clot rest in peace. Oh, me torment. If Duppy real, no I'm coming back. I'm coming back. This Duppy is coming. Any old Duppy can come back. Listen. Any old Duppy, if Duppy can come back, yes, and the monks will walk up and down and terrorize me. I'm coming back. If there is a way back, I'll find it. Yeah? Can me not rest. I'm me haunted. Me not think you understand. Me haunted, me spirit haunted. It now can just rest in peace. You know, understand what I say to you? Eh? Me hear you. Me see you. Me know Yahweh. You can't trick me. If I die right now, it's not gonna matter because you know I don't fucking like you. Yeah? So that means I would die happy. Because you know how me feel about you. You're bumble. Yeah. That's all I want to know. Me just want to say everybody where they on earth, when me no like, no say me no like them. Me no want a confusion with them. Yeah? As long as we get to make them know how me feel about them before me dead. That's it. I don't need nothing else. That's all I need. Mission accomplished. Eh? Journey complete. What is it happen? Because someone not walk up and down and not tell on yourself say uno no like people and them like uno. I what cause that? What cause that something there? What cause that delusion there? Me just want to make sure say uno know say you see same way you feel about me. Me feel that way about you times 10,000. Any hatred where you have in your body for me, multiply it by 10,000, that's what I have for you. You understand that? So when you get up and walk up and down and swear say somebody like you. And I just you want not like them. That is a problem for me. I don't want that. I need everybody to be on the same blood clot page. Your pussy hole.